We'll create stats for a profile from Project GC next on Discover Geocaching. What is Project GC? It's just a website that compiles all kinds of stats and data from your geocaching account. It's partners with Geocaching.com, so they get all the information that Geocaching.com has. You can get badges. Badges? We don't need no stinking badges. You can get information about your first to finds, your challenges that you qualify for. They even have a challenge cache checker that lets you know in seconds whether or not you qualify. They also provide profile stats, which is why we're here today. Let's go to the website and take a look. Here's the landing page for Project GC. If you go to Profile, you notice it's all grayed out. If you go to Statistics, all but two things are grayed out. Why is this? Well, because we haven't authenticated with geocaching.com. And the way we do that is in the upper right-hand corner, you see Authenticate. So we click on Authenticate, and we click on Authenticate again. And if you agree, agree. Now in the upper right-hand corner, it shows my geocaching name. If we go to Profile, no longer grayed out. If we go to Statistics, no longer grayed out. All right, so what we want to do is go to Profile Stats. So this right here is what my stats would look like if I got them from Project GC and put them on my profile. You notice it's quite extensive. A lot of numbers, it finds by type, finds by size, difficulty rating, terrain rating, and so on. All kinds of stats. Even the finds by bearing, average distance by bearing. I mean, it gets really involved here. So pay attention right here in the middle of the page. It says permanent link to this profile. So on your geocaching.com page, on your profile, you're going to be copying and pasting some HTML code that will give you all these stats that we have here. It'll automatically be in on your profile. And you don't have to do anything. Once you put this code in, it's updated all the time. Now that is if you use the dynamic image HTML code. So as we can see right here, if you want these statistics shown on geocaching.com, this is the preferred way. By pasting a short block of HTML code into geocaching.com edit profile, you will get an image that automatically updates itself. The image will link here for more details. If you want to do this as a static, one-time type deal, then you would use the download the static HTML, and then you'd have to come back here and re-download the static HTML if your stats change. So this is why they say it's the preferred way up here. Create dynamic image is because once you do this, you don't have to touch it ever again. Here's a good time to say this. If you are a non-paying member of Project GC, you can get your stats sent to your profile free every week. If you are a paying member of Project GC, your stats will be updated automatically for free every day. So just click Create Dynamic Image HTML Code. So just select all of the code, click Copy, and then Close. Now that's on your clipboard. When you go to your geocaching.com profile, view profile, edit. In this About window, just paste that code in and click Save Changes. Now we can go view the profile. And there, it's gone to Project GC, as we can see now. and has put in all those stats we were talking about. Now I don't have to do anything else. All I have to do is go and find caches or move trackables or get first to finds, and it'll automatically get updated here. In my case, once a week. I'm not a paying member of Project GC. I use the free account. But if you are a paying member, every day it will update your stats. And that's how easy it is to get your stats from Project GC. Well, go out there, be safe, and remember to discover geocaching.